I have here right now the Anker Solo dirt resistant fast charging cable. So let's unbox. We have here the cable and the manual. Cable nila may kasama na rin cable organizer. This is very convenient. And hindi ko na kailangan bumili ng separate dahil meron na silang free. So I have here the original cable charger ng iPhone. Ganito lang siya kanipis. Compare natin sa Anker dirt resistant fast charger. So this is how it looks like. Mas makapal itong kay Anker kaysa dun sa kay Apple. Mas durable siyang hawakan. As in, alam mo yon, may resistance talaga siya. Kaya binili ko na rin itong cable nila para to match my Anker Solo na fast charger. Di ba ang cute na nila together? If you want a charger na hindi nakakasira ng cellphone, ng iPhone nyo, get the Anker Solo. Pwede mo siyang bilhin na itong adapter lang and pwede mo naman siyang bilhin ng cable lang. So, kung alin man ang masira, hindi isang set yung bibilin mo. I bet kung masira mo to. Itong adapter nila is 30 watts na, fast charging na siya. And it took about 40 minutes to fully charge my iPhone 16 Pro Max. What more kaya pag sinamahan mo pa ng fast charging cable, 'di ba? Siguro 30 minutes na lang fully charged na yung iPhone ko. Kadalasan ng tech reviewer, hindi talaga mawawala itong Anker brand na to. Ginagamit nila at least one of the product of this brand. Dahil itong brand na to talagang lagi nilang re-recommend, kaya naman number 1 sila. Yeah, I really love this Anker Solo charger. Super cute. Meron din silang available na black, I think, white, pink. And this is the blue one. And as of now, magwa 1 month na tong iPhone ko. And simula ito na yung gamit ko. Hindi pa rin naman nababawasan yung battery health ko so far. So yeah, that's it for today's video. See you on my next one. Bye!